Oh, I see it pumping. How you know it's positive? You spun the wheels?
Well, my dumbass.
You had one wheel on the ground.
Forget that. I got half of them up.
Ah.
So I was like, when I went like this one, like, it's positive. And walked away from it.
But it might be still.
Maybe.
I know it looks clean under here.
Maybe. It's a 10-volt, right? Alright, guys.
I keep forgetting that the training is what's wrong with
Let's
it.
give her a good prime for a good time. I'm about to take put them on exhibition.
There's a 6 on? Really? Oh, 4. Prime that bitch up, see if it fires up real quick.
Excited for a piece of cornbread. So I got done pretty quick.
Huh? It's got an exhaust leak on it. That sounds like
Yeah, it's taking a little bit to kick in. Slipping?
doing something in reverse. I don't want to go too far in case I'm not supposed to get out.
Yeah. Oh! Long power steering fluid.
Could be that it's got too much.
Car sat 1.5 years plus maybe.
Torque converter. Yeah. Could be the whole problem. It's pretty quick for what it is, a little 4.3. So we got a key fault, pass key fault. It's bullshit. Jill, put your head in front of that so I don't gotta glare. Thank you. See that fro helping out, boy.
Keep it.
And then we found this shit job of a bypass. Lying bitch. What? It was all good. Everything was nice. And then it did some Ford shit. Chris is tracking down why the fuel pump won't come on. What do we fix? Key pass default? This car's a piece of shit. No matter what we fix on it, raggedy dent having bitch, no matter what we fix on it, it's something else. Stop saying the same shit. Well, not everything runs now. What'd you say, Alex?
Why you buy them when they run?
Get in the house. Don't make no sense.
No, don't.
Chris is over here rigging some shit up now.
Jesus. Hee hee hee.
Yeah, that speaker box that came with it. That's bonuses.